Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely wicked cool 1970 Buick GS real Stage 1 car. Only the second one I've ever owned, guys. Killer car, documented by the Sloan Museum, which I do have. It's in the trunk. Complete frame-off restoration. I think it's 8,800 miles on a frame-off restoration. Wicked cool car. I apologize about the weather. Yes, it's out here spitting snow. You can see we got wet, nasty, salty roads, so we're not going to drive it down the road. But this is the best we're going to get because, as most of you in the country know, we're getting hammered by a blizzard. I think everybody's under a snow warning. But tried to wipe it back down real quick in between the snowflakes hitting it. But very cool car. Factory color combination, Diplomat blue with the blue vinyl interior, factory black vinyl top. Really cool car. Again, I think there's just over 2,400 of these cars ever built. It's only the second one at Southern Motors we've ever had. So very rare car, not an easy car to get your hands on. Not a whole lot to nitpick. You can see there's a couple little touch-up marks I've seen on it. Looks like it's got the original dishes here on the headlights. You can probably pick at those a little bit, but very, very nice car. Bumpers are nice. They have definitely been re-chromed. Again, slick paint on the car. When you see stuff like this, guys, it's just from me trying to wipe the doggone snow off real quick. Good, solid, straight body. I think it has all the original panels except for, I believe, the driver's side quarter panel was replaced. And I would say that's been done quite some time ago because it actually, for guys that have actually restored cars, you'll notice the inside of the quarter has discolored the way it should look. But you can see some marks in there where they have welded. That makes me think that they've definitely changed that quarter. Car does have all the original soft ray glass except for the front windshield. Again, I apologize. The pictures were dry, but then the snow just hammered us. But like I say, it's just not going to get any better today, and we're going to be digging out, I'm assuming, for the next 4 or 5 days. Slick paint on the car. Again, bumpers are really nice. Nice and straight down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the 15-inch Buick Rallys. Pretty car. I love these cars. Always been a huge fan of them. Like I say, they're not easy to find. This is a great driver. Hits the road outstanding. Again, factory Stage 1 car, guys. It does not have the matching numbers block in it, but it does have a 70 455 block, which the blocks on a GS 455 and a Stage 1 are same block. The difference is the heads, the intake, and the carb. I posted the intake and carb numbers in the ad. They're all correct for the Stage 1. Of course, can't get you the heads numbers because they're inside. But when the engine was redone, there is a complete build sheet on the engine where he documents that he just resurfaced the original heads. Power steering, power brakes, factory air car. Of course, it's got the fresh air intake, heavy duty radiator. That's all standard stuff. And it came factory with drum brakes, the bigger drum brakes. This has a very nice set of Mickey Thompson full-length ceramic coated headers on it, which sound amazing. Air blows cold. just a wicked cool car, guys. Of course, all these cars were built in Flint, Michigan, right here. Original moat mirror. Again, factory side glass, all that's correct. Front windshield was replaced. I love the Diplomat blue with the blue. I think that's beautiful. Looks like got some dirt climbing out of there. Factory bucket seats, factory center console, sports steering wheel. You can see the seats are all real nice. There's a couple little marks I've seen on them. I'd say that stuff really looks original. Factory tack and gauge car. 8835 is supposedly what's on the rebuild of the car. Again, air works, blower motor works, factory AM FM radio works, owner's manuals in the glove box. They put the aftermarket gauges in there. It is a dual exhaust system. It's got the factory 10-bolt rear end with a heavy-duty rear suspension. Yes, these cars came with 10 bolts. They all did. And I think this is a 342 gear. Factory jack. It's got a new spare in here. Again, jack was spare. This is all the original paperwork, including the Sloan documentation to show the car's real. Jack goes with it. Like I say, it's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. These are very cool cars. Again, it was a frame off, very nice underneath. Door skins are nice and clean. Good looking car right there. Love the interior. That blue on blue I think is super cool. Dash pad's nice. Steering wheel's nice. Gauges are nice and clean. All the cam specs, got a complete build log on it, balance and blueprint. This is one of those cars you cruise down the road with the air on. And you just like a, see you kick the air on, air blows cold. But then when you stomp on it, this thing comes alive, man. These cars are wicked cool. Made a great video going down the road because it will light those tires up. Tag works. Great sound. Those headers just sound so cool. You hear them working here. Gauges are all functional, holding good oil pressure. Radio works, blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. Yeah, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.